What should I do if my Honeywell thermostat is not resetting properly?
Hello, thermostat troubleshooters. Today we're going to tackle an issue you may have encountered: your Honeywell thermostat not resetting properly. Don't worry, we have got you covered. By following a few simple steps, you can solve this issue right at your home.
Understanding the issue.
Before we jump into the steps, it's important to understand what the problem could be. A Honeywell thermostat may not reset properly due to a variety of issues. These could include incorrect settings, a malfunctioning thermostat, or even an outdated model. If the problem persists after resetting, you might need professional help or a replacement. But let's first try to reset the thermostat.
Check the basic settings.
Before resetting, always ensure that your thermostat is properly powered and that the basic settings are correct. This involves confirming the power source. Make sure the thermostat is correctly connected to the power source. Check if the batteries need replacement for battery-operated models. Checking the temperature settings. Ensure that the temperature settings aren't set too high or too low, causing the thermostat to act up.
Steps to reset your Honeywell thermostat.
To reset your Honeywell thermostat, follow these steps. 1. Locate the off switch. On your thermostat, find the switch that turns off the heating, cooling, and fan. 2. Turn off your thermostat. Switch the thermostat to the off position. 3. Find the reset button. The reset button can usually be found on the front of the thermostat, often underneath the battery compartment. 4. Press the reset button. Press the reset button. For some models, you may need to use a pin or a pointed object. Keep the button pressed for about 5 seconds. 5. Wait for a few moments. Release the reset button and wait for a few moments to allow the thermostat to reboot. 6. Turn the thermostat back on. Switch your thermostat back to its previous setting. Your thermostat should now be reset. Remember, the reset process can vary slightly based on the Honeywell thermostat model you own. Always refer to your specific model's user manual for the most accurate instructions. That wraps up our guide on how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. Always remember that proper maintenance and periodic checks can prevent such issues. But should your thermostat refuse to reset or continue to malfunction, it may be time to call a professional or consider replacing the unit. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay warm or cool and stay safe.